Hi! Today I'll show you how to use the hover state in Replo to make your website more interactive. I have a simple call to action button on my page, and right now it looks pretty standard. Wouldn't it be great if the button could change color when users hover over it? This not only makes your site more engaging, but also provides immediate visual feedback to your visitors. This is where the hover state comes in handy. In the Replo editor, select the component you want to add the hover effect to. Below the States section in the Design tab, you should see a default state and any other states you've configured. If you don't already have it enabled, select Add Hover to enable the state. When we click on the Edit icon, we can see that this pre-configured state has a show of condition set to hover. We can also see a list of other conditions we can set to trigger this state. The important thing here is that hovering over this component will now trigger the hover state. Now with the hover state selected, any style changes we make will only apply when the user hovers over the button. Let's change the button background color to a dark gray and the text color to white. Now when we preview our page, watch what happens when I move my mouse over the button. It changes the background to the gray color I set and the text color as well. Using hover states can really enhance the look and feel of your site. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team or leave a comment in the description.